Caution before assembly. Please put the product on the flat surface when assembling. There are small components used in the construction of this product. Keep the parts out of the reach of children when assembling to avoid danger. Disassemble the ball holder and plate. Insert the rubber ring into the bottom of tube. Insert the bottom plate into the tube. Fix top plate, ball holder, and ball to the tube. Insert the poles into the fabric. Fix the hooks to the top plates and bottom plates.